The very day an Igbo man realizes how powerful they are, the very day they understand how politically relevant they are in this country, I think that's the day they will stop crying marginalization. That day they will understand they are among the 3 big ethnic groups in Nigeria. But until that day, since they no one understand, but the truth I say, everybody for this country understand how powerful the Igbos they. But only them no still want understand. And that's now why they still play second fiddle. They never want possess their possession. They are still playing second fiddle. Let me give you guys a glimpse of what I'm talking about. Just pay attention. Then I'll play a backup clip.
The Southeast, that is predominantly of the Igbo-speaking people of Nigeria, happens to be one of the big 3 ethnic groups in Nigeria, can be said to have a potential vote bank of not less than 10 million votes. Because if you look at the mathematics, the people of Southeast Nigeria are actually resident in all parts of the country. In fact, it is believed that the Southeast community in every part of Nigeria constitute the largest communities, second only to the indigenous communities or to the host communities. And so we've seen how this particular ethnic group has supported the PDP since 2015. And that is why whenever you have the PDP reaching the 10 to 12 million mark in every presidential election since 2015, you can be rest assured that an overwhelming majority of that vote comes from people of Southeast origin, wherever they reside, from Lagos to Abuja, Kano, Kaduna, and of course the Southeast. So we may look at the figures coming out of the Southeast alone and assume that the voting strength of the Southeast is negligible. It is not so. If you look at it from that perspective, you'll be missing a very important point.
If you look at it from that perspective, you'll be missing a very important point. Now, let me back up what he said with an interview that was granted by a chieftain of the PDP and former governorship aspirant. Listen to this backup clip.
But I believe that the PDP must have learned a serious lesson, which is that you can't undermine the gist that has been giving you the most numbers. The only time we struggled was when the Igbos were not backing us. Every time the Igbos had backed us, we didn't struggle.
The only time we struggled was when the Igbos were not backing us. But when the Igbos backed us, we never struggled. Dibu, make una wake up. Make una wake up and possess una possession. ASAP.